Yes, dear students, welcome to all of you once again in your session, and good afternoon to all of you. Okay, till now, if you remember, we have discussed principle of reversibility of light, that how light can be sent back along the same path but in opposite direction. And after that, some numericals were given to you in last session. 5 numericals were given to you, and some numericals we discussed in this session here. And now again, we are going to discuss numericals on refractive index here. So if you see here, yes, refractive index, it is of how many types? 2 types. No? Number one is relative refractive index. Here it is 2, medium 2, and here it is medium 1 here. It is medium 2, medium 1. So here it is relative refractive index. This means relative refractive index means it is 2 and it is 1. So relative refractive index means refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 here. It is not air here. It can be water or it can be glass, and here it can be oil or any other medium. So here it is according to Snell's law, it is sin I upon sin R here. And same way when we talk about the absolute refractive index, so in absolute refractive index here always we take A. A means here, A means air here, and here it can be glass or water or oil or any other medium. So here it is also equal to sin I upon sin R according to Snell's law. This is Snell's law, sin I upon sin R, right? And after that we have discussed this refraction of light. How does it take place at the surface of separation of two media? And at the point of incidence, when a light is changing its path, that how much change in path of light is there? That straight path is this. It should have gone straight if this medium were not there. So how much deviation is there? So this change in path, how much change in path of light is there? So this is called deviation. Okay, deviate हुई अपने पास से. So this is called angle of deviation of light, refracted light. Okay, so angle of deviation कहते हैं इसको. This is angle of incidence, and this is angle of angle which incident ray is making with the surface of separation of two media, or we can say with interface, right? So now we are going to discuss some numericals here. So the first numerical is a ray of light of frequency 5 into 10 raised to 14 is passed through. So this is frequency. Okay, through a liquid. The wavelength of the light measured inside the liquid is 450 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Calculate refractive index of the liquid. ये हमको find करना है, ठीक है? So now first of all we need to find what is given, because it helps us to solve the numerical very easily, and then you will recall also which formula will be used here. So first of all we write given, and here yes, given is there. After that we have to find we have to write to find. So given is frequency of light. F of light is 5 into 10 raised to our 14 hertz. Okay, so frequency is given F, and wavelength is also given. Wavelength is lambda. Wavelength of light is 450 into 10 raised to our minus 9 meter given. Calculate refractive index of the liquid. So here we need to find the refractive index mu of the liquid. It is L. L means liquid here. So now solution. How to solve? Just try to do it on your own. अपने आप इसको करिए. कैसे करेंगे इसको? Yes. So frequency and wavelength given है. तो इससे what we can get from this? हमको speed of light is not given in the liquid, and we need to find refractive index. Or we know that आपको पता है कि refractive index of liquid with respect to air क्या होगा? Speed of light in vacuum upon speed of light in that liquid. But this is speed V. Speed of light is not given in the medium, in the liquid. तो फर्स्ट वी नीड टू फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट. ओके, तो यहाँ सॉल्यूशन लिखेंगे. वी need to find speed of light in liquid. Speed of light in liquid. ये हमको फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन लिक्विड, दिस इज वी एल, हमको फाइंड करना है. एंड सिंस वी नो दैट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स निकालना है, तो ए म्यू एल इज इक्वल टू सी अपॉन वी. तो वी मीन स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन लिक्विड हमको फाइंड करना है. एंड वी ऑल्सो नो दैट सिंस वी इज इक्वल टू एफ इंटू लैम्डा. ओके, सो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, तो देयरफॉर वी विल बी, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. एफ इज 5 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू पावर 14 इंटू 450 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू माइनस 19. मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इन दोनों को, तो देखिए 5 और ये 450 है, माइनस इट इज 9, इट्स नॉट 19, इट इज 9 हियर. ओके, सो इट विल बी 5 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू पावर 14 इंटू, पहले इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे, दिस विल बी 4 5 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू पावर माइनस 8, है ना. 0 एक 0 है, यह माइनस 9 है, तो इट विल बी 8 हियर. सो देयरफॉर कितना हो जाएगा ये, v इक्वल टू, इनको मल्टीप्लाई कर लें, 5 इंटू 45, सो इट विल गिव यू 5 5 जा 25, 5 5 2 जा 5 4 जा 20 and 2 22. Okay, this will be 22 into 10 raised to power here 14, and this is minus 8. Okay, and this will be how much, 6. Now we have to convert into absolute number here. It will be 2.25 इसको, and it will be how much, 8 meter per second. So here what has been done, it has been divided by 100 and it has been multiplied by 100. So divided by 100, so it comes 2.25. Multiply जब हुआ तो it becomes 10 raised to power 8. Now refractive index of liquid will be C upon VL, and C कितना है, 3 into 10 raised to power 8 upon 2.25 into 10 raised to power how much, 8. So ये कैंसिल हो गया इसका, देखिए, and here what do we get, 300 upon 225. So 2.25 था, तो इसको हमने क्या कर दिया, 225 लिख दिया, and 100 because point is after 2 digits, so 300 हो गया. Okay, now it can be divided. So 25 9s are, and here 25 1s are, and 25 2s are. Okay, yes, so here it will be 12 upon 9, and 12 upon 9 means कितना होगा ये, 4 upon, yes, it is 4 upon 3. Okay, so therefore refractive index, it will be 4 upon 3 means 1.33 आंसर. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स आ गया लिक्विड का. Yes, so this way we can solve the question here. Now next question, the absolute refractive index of glass and water are given. Absolute refractive index are given. Okay, then if the speed of light is in glass is 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, calculate the speed of light in vacuum and then in water. The same way we have to write down here, first of all given, then to find, and then उसके बाद में होगा solution. तो given में क्या देखो दिया है, absolute refractive index of glass. So we shall write down A mu G is equal to 3/2, and A mu W will be 4 upon 3, and speed of light in glass. So below speed of light in glass, Vg is 2 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. फाइंड क्या करना है, दो चीज फाइंड करनी है. वैक्यूम में स्पीड ऑफ लाइट एंड वाटर में स्पीड ऑफ लाइट. नाउ सॉल्यूशन. तो देखिए इसका सॉल्यूशन करेंगे एंड थिंक हाउ टू डू इट. व्हाट व्हिच न्यूमेरिकल व्हिच फार्मूला इज टू बी. Now to find we can write down here after writing to find now solution. Now calculate the speed of light in vacuum. इसके लिए क्या करेंगे? First part here. तो I am writing here A. This is part 1 in vacuum. So this which formula? Yes, anyone? Yes, Mayank is saying sir formula used will be A mu. Yes, speed of light in vacuum. Speed of light in glass is given. So A mu G. And this will be C upon speed of light in glass. Okay, good. So here it is speed absolute refractivity of glass and water. So glass का 3/2. So here it will be 3/2, and here C we need to find, and V is given 2 into 10 raised to power 8. Okay, now we need to find C. So therefore C will be how much? So it will be 3/2 into 2 into 10 raised to power 8. Okay, so 2 cancel, and what do we get here? 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. So speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. So we have got first answer. Now after that second part here. तो second part में देखिए क्या करेंगे इसमें. We need to find the speed of light in water now. So speed of light in water find के लिए क्या करेंगे? यहाँ लिखेंगे A mu W is equal to C upon V, and A mu W is given how much? It is 4/3. So therefore it will be 4/3 is equal to C is 3 into 10 raised to power 8, and here we need to find speed of light in water. So it will be VW. So therefore VW will be 3 into 10 raised to power 8 upon, yes, तो 3 मल्टीप्लाई होगा, 3 जाएगा ऊपर here, and 4 will be here. Okay, now mathematics, you should use mathematics here. 3 into 3 and here 4 into VW. So here one step I have just left for you. So here it will be VW 3 is 9 upon 4 into 10 raised to power 8. Okay, and it will be 9 upon 8 means 9 upon 4. Yes, how can we solve it? 9 upon 4 means we can bring 4 to nearest 100. तो 25 into 4 100 हो जाता है. So इसमें 25 से ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे हम, and 25 से ही नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया into 10 raised to power 8. So here it will be how much? 25 into 4 100, and here 9 into 25 it is 2 to 5. So 2 to 5 upon 100 into 10 raised to power 8. Okay, and then answer will be 2.25 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second is the answer. Okay, so this is the speed of light in water. So 2 numericals we have done. So simple numericals you can do on your own also. So now next question here. Okay. So next question is, if speed of light in a medium is given, speed of light in a medium is given, find the absolute refracting index of the medium. So simple question here given, speed of light in a medium. तो लिख लेंगे यहाँ पर speed of light in a medium. This is Vm is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Okay, find the absolute refractive index. So we need to find absolute refractive index of that medium. So A mu m ये find करना है. Now solution. वो लिखेंगे since which formula? Yes, आप लिखिए, हम यहाँ लिख रहे हैं, आप अपनी नोटबुक में लिख लीजिए. We since we know that A mu, yes, m, speed of light in the air upon speed of light in that medium. Good. So here we can find out C is 3 into 10 raised to power 8, and here it is 1.5 into 10 raised to power 8. So cancel, and here it is point. No. So it will be 30 upon 15. So point has been removed, so it becomes 30, and 15 to the 30. Okay. So refractive index कितना आ गया? So refractive index of the medium is A mu m is equal to 2. So refractive index of the medium कितना आ गया? 2. Yes. Any problem here? No. चलिए next question करते हैं. So if the refractive index of the glass with respect to air is given, glass with respect to air is given, what is the refractive index of the air with respect to the glass? So this is based on the reversibility of light, principle of reversibility of light. We have done earlier. So I'm sure you can do, and in the I'm writing given and to find. In the meantime, you can do. So I'm writing given क्या है इसमें? Refractive index of glass with respect to air. So here A mu G is 3 by 2, and we need to find G mu A. ये हमको फाइंड करना है. लिखेंगे since we know that. Okay, फार्मूला क्या है आपको पता है? A mu G into G mu A is equal to 1. So here A mu G is given 3 by 2, and this we need to find out. It is 1. So therefore G mu A will be 1 upon 3 by 2, or it will be how much? 2 upon 3. So therefore answer यहाँ पर आएगा G mu A is equal to 2 by 3 is the answer. A ray of light is incident at an angle of 30 degree at the interface of medium A and medium B, and then find if angle of refraction is 45 degree, find the refractive index of medium B with respect to medium A. And the second part is if the second medium is water in place of medium B, will the angle of refraction increase or decrease? Justify your answer. So this is the second part is also very, very good. Okay, now let's start the question now. How to do answer? So first of all, we have to write down given, and then to find, and then solution. Okay, तो given हमको क्या है कि angle of incidence. So we shall write down here angle of incidence I is equal to 30 degree, and angle of refraction angle of refraction है ना, ये हमको given है. Angle of refraction, angle R is given how much? 45 degree. So we need to find refractive index of medium B with respect to AA. So first part हमको find करना है refractive index of medium B with respect to A, and then second part we need to find angle of refraction, angle R will increase or decrease. ये हमको find करना. Okay. Now let's start the question answer. Now if the angle of refraction is 45, the two angles are given 30 degree and 45 degree. So which formula will be used here? So Nila will help us. So Nila is saying, sir, we shall use the formula, and before using formula we shall write down since we know that refractive index of medium B with respect to A, yes, Nila is saying sin I upon sin R. This formula will be used here. So therefore refractive index of B with respect to A, sin I is 30 degree, and here sin R is 45. डिग्री है. So sin 30 डिग्री का वैल्यू कितना होता है in mathematics? You know, it is 1 by 2 only, not root 2, and sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Yes. So here when we solve it, 1 by 2, and here it will be root 2 upon 1, and therefore when we solve it, the refractive index of B find करना है. So here it is A and here it is B. So here it is A mu B. ये find करना है हमको, ठीक है ना? So we can rub it here. Yes. Yes. So A mu B, it will be root 2 upon 2 or 1.414. This is the value of root 2 upon 2, and when we divide it, we get, what do we get here? So it will be 0.707. So therefore we get refractive index of medium B with respect to A 0.707. Okay, so this is the refractive index. So this way we can get the answer of the first part. Now second part here, we have to solve the second part here. If the second medium is water, so in place of B, okay, water is there. So therefore we shall write down here. Now in place of B, what is there? Water. Water is there. W. So therefore it will be A mu W, refractive index of water with respect to air. A medium A is given 4 upon 3, or we can say it is 1.33. Okay. So now we have two refractive indices, 0.707 and 1.33. So what do we see here? We find that since 1.33 is greater than 0.707, here it is point. So what do we find here? 1.33 is greater than 1.707. This means this refractive index is more. So this means a ray of light in water will bend towards normal, and its speed will, yes, decrease also. Its speed will decrease. So now you have to find out, will the angle of refraction increase or decrease? So what do we get here? Now since 1.33 is greater than 0.707, therefore angle of refraction will decrease. Okay, angle of refraction will decrease. So this is the reason, since 1.33 is more than 0.707. So when refractive index is higher, we know that when refractive index is higher, then angle of refraction will always decrease. Means ray of light will bend towards normal, or we can say that speed of light will also be less in that medium. Okay, any problem here? Now next. Now question number 6. Monochromatic light. Mono means one. Monochromatic light of wavelength 589 means light of only single wavelength. 589 nanometer is incident from air to water. So water is second medium. Find the wavelength, frequency and speed of refracted light. Means the refracted light means light in water. Light in water. The refractive index of water with respect to air is 4 upon 3. So first of all we have to write down given क्या है इसमें ना. So we write down wave length of incident light. Incident light. This is 589 nanometer. Nanometer, and we can convert into meter. 589 into 10 raised power minus 9 meter. Okay. So this will be conversion here. Now what do we need to find? तो हमको find क्या करना है? देखिए, first find करना है हमको wavelength of light in water. So wavelength of light in water we have to find. सेकेंड फाइंड करना है फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ लाइट, एंड नंबर 3 फाइंड करना है हमको स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वाटर. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वाटर. ये 3 चीजें फाइंड करनी है हमको. ओके, नाउ सॉल्यूशन. तो सॉल्यूशन में सबसे पहले लिखेंगे वही सिंस वी नो दैट. क्या व्हाट डू वी नो दैट, ये हम आपसे पूछेंगे. तो सिंस वी नो दैट, what is the relation between here wavelength and refractive index here? Just try to recall. We have done when the light is falling from air to water. So air में wavelength दे रखा है, and we have to find out the wavelength in water. So now you have recalled. Nila is saying, sir, we shall use the formula refractive index of water, and here it will be wavelength of incident light in air, and here wavelength of light in water. ये हमको फाइंड करना है ना. तो therefore a mu w is 4/3, and here it is given 589 into 10 raised to minus 9 upon this we have to find out. So therefore wavelength of light in water will be 589 into 3 into 10 raised to minus 9 upon 4. ठीक है ना, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई से ही आ जाएगा. तो देयरफॉर वेवलेंथ ऑफ लाइट, रिफ्रेक्टेड लाइट, और वेवलेंथ ऑफ लाइट इन वाटर, दिस इज W हियर. सो इट विल बी डिवाइडेड 4, ओके, 589 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. सो हाउ मच इट विल बी? नो, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. बिफोर 589 into 3 है, तो 3 9s are 27, 3 8s are 24, and 2 6, and 3 5s are 15, and 2 17. Okay, and divided by 4 into 10 raised to minus 9. So it will be 4 4 the 16. फिर एक बचेगा 4 4 the 16. 4 1 yes 4 4 4 1 point, and then 3 4 yeah 7 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. So wavelength आ जाएगा. Therefore wavelength of light in water, it will be 441.7 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter is the answer. So I am writing here in okay box here. So this is the answer. Now second part we need to find frequency. तो frequency के लिए फार्मूला क्या होता है? You know, frequency, yes, velocity of light is equal to frequency into wavelength. ये फार्मूला हमारा होता है. तो this formula will be, so फार्मूला यूज करेंगे हम, since C is equal to F into lambda, है ना, ये यूज करेंगे. तो C की वैल्यू कितनी है? 3 into 10 raised to 8, velocity of light in vacuum. frequency हमको फाइंड करना है. wavelength of light is 589, so it will be 589 into 10 raised to minus 9, and here frequency हम फाइंड करेंगे, तो it will be 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon 589 into 10 raised to minus 9. देखिए इसको सॉल्व करना बहुत इजी है. ओके, घबराना नहीं है. तो minus 9 ऊपर जाएगा, तो it will be plus 9. 9 and 8 17. तो it will be 3 into 10 raised to 17 upon 589, and 3 upon 589 है ना. तो हम इसको क्या कर लेंगे? इसमें से 3 0 ले लेंगे. It will be 1 2 3 into 10 raised to 14 upon 589. Okay, now we solve it, and what do we get here? तो frequency जब इसको solve करेंगे तो 5 5 जा 25, yes, 5 5 जा 25, और उसके बाद में कितना है? So answer comes out to be 5.1 into 10 raised to power कितना आएगा? This is 14. Okay, 14 hertz. Okay, so now answer is 5.1 into 10 raised to power 14. So this is the frequency of light here. Okay, ये भी हमारा rectangular box में हो गया. Same way you can do in exam here. Now part C. Part C में देखिए क्या है? We have to find the velocity of light in water. A refractive index of water with respect to air is given. तो यहाँ लिखेंगे since A mu W. Refractive index of water with respect to air is given. So this means speed of light in air, ये हमारा ऊपर हो जाएगा, and speed of light in water ये हमको W हो जाएगा यहाँ पर, ठीक है. ये हमको फाइंड करना है. This we have to find. So it is given 4/3, and it is given how much? Velocity of light in air. It is 3 into 10 raised to power 8, and here it is, yes, है ना. So therefore velocity of light in water, it will be 3 into 10 raised to power 8 upon 4, and therefore velocity of light in water will be 3 is 9 upon 4, 9 upon 4 into 10 raised to power 8, and here it comes out to be, जब solve करेंगे तो 4 into 25 nearest 0 में आ जाएगा, 100 हो जाएगा, and 25 into 9 it is 225 upon 100 into 10 raised to power 8, and what will be the answer? So this will be, after 2 zeros are there, point after 2 digit, it will be 2.25 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. So this is the answer. Okay. Yes. So this way today we have done 6 questions. I am sure you will do these questions again, और दोबारा इसकी practice करेंगे, then you can get good marks also, and knowledge will also increase. So try to do more questions from other books and then send your problems. Okay. So thank you very much.